Good morning, class. This is Dr. Pratibha Case, Head Department of Biotechnology. Today, in this lecture talk, I'm discussing with you microbiological methods, NEP batch second semester practical scheme. All right. Let us go through B.C. second semester B.Sc practical examination November 2022 microbiological methods second semester practical scheme. Okay. And this is CBCS 2021 batch onwards pro scheme. Subject Biotechnology practical paper 2 and the code is DCBTP201. Time 4 hours. Maximum marks 25. Okay. Question number 1. Prepare a temporary slide of A by grams or endoscope staining on comment on the methodology and result obtained. Okay. Here all the question numbers are given with the sample A, B, okay, like that. Even here C, D, E, F, G and H up to H we have mentioned here. Okay, this question number 1 answer carries 5 marks. All right. Question number 2. Prepare a temporary slide of B by fungal staining and comment on the result obtained. Here you need to perform the fungal stain and you need to comment on whatever the fungus you have focused and to in the microscope and show to the examiner, and this carries 4 marks. Next, third one, comment on the instrument C and D. Okay, we will be mentioning instrument or photograph C or D. C and D, you need to comment on those particular instrument, and this carries 4 marks. Okay, here they mentioned just comment. Then fourth one, comment on the culture media or media component E. Okay. So this carries 3 marks. Culture media like nutrient agar, nutrient broth, MRBA, PDA, like that. Okay. Then media components means components of those culture media like beef extract, peptone, NaCl, agar, like that. Okay. Next, fifth question, identify, sketch, and comment biochemical test on F and G. This carries 4 marks. Then sixth one, conduct the catalase test and report the result to the examiner. Okay, and this carries 2 marks. Seventh one, practical class record, that carries 3 marks. Okay, this is the question pattern of your practical microbiological methods paper 2. All right. Now let us go through the scheme of evaluation of these particular questions of second semester microbiological methods paper. Here, for the first experiment, sample pure cultures of gram-positive bacilli, gram-negative bacilli, gram-positive cocci, rhizobium, and bacillus for endospore we need to provide. Okay, here slide preparation carries 2 marks. Writing pattern of principle and procedure carries 2 marks. You need to write both principle and procedure. Then observation and diagram. Okay, this carries 1 mark. So total 5 marks for the question number 1. Now let us go through the question number 2. Fungal staining you need to perform. Okay, there you need to take fungal culture from the in charge batch. Slide preparation, this carries 1 mark. Principle and procedure carries 2 marks. Further, observation and diagram carries 1 mark. Okay, so it's very, very important to sketch or to draw the diagram, whatever you have observed under the microscopic view. So, for the question number 1 and 2, you need to write the microscopic view of the gram staining or endospore staining and even the fungal staining. All right. Then question number 3, it's instruments. Here, you may be kept with the diagram or photocopy, or maybe to the instrument only label, you need to comment on that particular instruments. Instruments like microscope, membrane filter, autoclave, laminar airflow, centrifuge, hot air oven, pH meter. Okay, here you need to write principle and applications on those particular instrument you need to write. Okay, 2 marks each. Okay, so this carries total 4 marks. Then fourth question, culture media like MRBA, NA, or maybe NB. Okay, MRBA Martins, Rose Bengal agar, nutrient agar, or maybe a nutrient broth. Media component, peptone, beef extract, agar. This carries 3 marks. Then fifth question, antibiotic sensitivity test. We may keep the photograph or the plate. You need to identify that as antibiotic sensitivity test and you need to comment on that particular technique. Or we may keep MPN, most probable number method, or IMVIC, starch hydrolysis, gelatin liquefaction, identification and sketch of these biochemical tests you need to perform. Okay, here you need to also write principle and comment on that particular biochemical test. Okay, here each biochemical test carries 4 marks. Then sixth one, performance of biochemical test, that is catalase. Okay, you need to perform only and write the result. Okay, and then report to the examiner. So result should be shown to the examiner. So not necessary to write here any kind of principal procedure. Just report the result to the examiner and then result you need to write whether you got catalase positive or negative. That you report you need to give. Then report to the examiner. Okay, this carries 2 marks. Then further class record, it carries 3 marks. So total your practical microbiological methods carries 24 marks. I hope I made this clear. I think you don't have any kind of confusion. If you have any kind of confusion and if you find anywhere difficulty, please reach to me through comment box. Okay. I hope I made everything crystal clear and I hope you are ready for the practical examination now. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with me. I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you.